Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the gameplay of most favorite map in Call of Duty mobile game by a global player. So let's get started. Click the feature at the bottom of your screen. Let's see what the favorite one, this one, Shipment. The Shipment 24/7 is a most favorite map by a global player. In this mode, you can play in team deathmatch, domination, hardpoint, kill confirm, and crank. No free for all, no frontline or search and destroy because this map is quite small. So let's get started. As you can see, the detail what COD player all about. So how about COD mobile players? Let's get started. So we are going play crank. So every time you defeat the opponent, you have a limited time or you will going to explode. So kill and explode if you get the time limit. As you can see, the map is quite small, so it will become intense battle. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.